What's going on, everybody? It is Tuesday, which means it's time for another Tech Tip Tuesday. This is Webs Online, and today we're going to start talking about the pluses and minuses of tropical plants. Tropical plants do basically all the same good things that a normal plant does with a few added benefits, most of which are conceptual. Obviously, you're going to get shade provided for your fish, and that's all temperature control. We have a lot of different videos on temperature control here on the Tech Tip Tuesday line, so you can check those out if you want to learn a little bit more about that. Obviously, these plants also take part in the nitrogen cycle. Some would argue that certain species of tropical plants actually do a better job of, absorbing those nitrates. But, again, let me get to the negatives. You're going to have to tell me if that's worth it. Here's the big positive. They look really awesome. Now, especially if you have a lot of friends that also have ponds, or you're in a community with a lot of backyard ponds, this would be a way to set yours aside. It's kind of difficult to keep up with the Joneses when they have white water hyacinths from the Amazon basin. And that's fair. So those are the positives, and here's the negatives. And they're pretty staggering. Each one of these plants is going to have their own environment and ecosystem that you're going to need to replicate during the winter months. That means you're going to have to remove them, bring them into your home. That plant, that water hyacinth I just mentioned, that's a floating plant. So what are you going to do? Have an aquarium with kind of like a temperature? You see how this is getting out of hand? Here's another issue. Some of these plants are actually illegal for you to have because they're invasive species. Again, the water hyacinth, in certain environments, is an invasive species. So you need to ask yourself, how pretty is this thing? Is it really that pretty? You're going to bring it into your home? You're going to break the law? Now again, some things are easier to take care of than others. And you guys can go talk to any of our Webs Online resources. You can email Joe at Webs Online. He can tell you guys where to find more information on this. But it's a plus and minus just like everything else in life. 9 times out of 10, let's get yourself some water lilies, man. Thank you guys for joining us on another Tech Tip Tuesday. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever or you have a tech tip that you'd like us to review, leave it in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and enjoy your pond.